How to enable dark mode on Instagram? Well, let me quickly show you how it's done. First up, you open up Instagram, and when you're in an Instagram, you go to your profile, and when you're in your profile, you go to the menu option, and in your menu option, you go to settings, and in there is this tab called theme on the bottom. You click on it, and over here you can either set your theme to light, dark, or system default. And since it's dark that we want to show, you click on dark and you go back. That's pretty much it. Dark mode is now enabled. If you want to revert back to light mode, you will have to repeat the same process. You go to settings, you go to theme, and you set it to light, and that's it. The light theme is now set and enabled in my account. But since it's dark that you want, you go do the same process and enable dark mode again if you really want it. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Bye bye.